What if black holes were portals to other universes? Picture this, a dark, swirling vortex pulling in everything around it, not just matter, but entire dimensions. The concept of black holes as gateways rather than dead ends flips the entire narrative of space on its head. Within their event horizons, time and space warp, creating paths that could lead to realms beyond our wildest scientific theories. Consider the idea that these cosmic phenomena act as bridges to other realities. Each black hole could be a passageway to a completely different universe, each with its own laws of physics. These portals may open doors to places where gravity acts differently, time moves faster or slower, or even where fundamental constants shift. The implications of such possibilities are staggering. When you think about the vastness of the universe, each black hole could represent a unique world waiting to be explored. Imagine stepping through one and finding yourself in a universe where Earth never existed, or one where humanity evolved into something entirely different. The possibilities are endless. These gateways challenge everything we know about our own universe. Scientific exploration of black holes has already revealed that they could contain singularities, points where the known laws of physics break down. This backdrop of chaos might not just be an end, but an entry point, connecting us to a web of alternate realities. Let's not overlook the technological aspirations. Future civilizations may develop advanced methods to traverse these cosmic gateways, harnessing black holes as means of exploration and travel. Understanding and navigating these celestial phenomena could lead to significant breakthroughs, revealing truths that stretch beyond our comprehension. This concept also stimulates the imagination regarding parallel worlds. Each decision made in our life might branch off into alternate timelines, existing simultaneously in those other universes. Black holes as portals could serve as a literal representation of each choice, creating a new reality. Think about the ramifications of that for understanding destiny and free will. In essence, black holes might be more than just cosmic enigmas. They could very well be the keys to unlocking doors to unimaginable realities. Our quest for knowledge constantly evolves, and the study of black holes could lead us to revelations that reshape our understanding of existence itself. Embracing this perspective empowers us to explore not just outer space, but the very fabric of reality. But what if these portals are not random? Perhaps black holes are part of an intricate network, a cosmic transportation system woven into the very architecture of reality. Each one could be a node in an interdimensional web, linking universes in ways we can barely begin to fathom. To cross through might not just mean entering another universe, but following a carefully designed pathway, like stepping onto an intergalactic highway engineered by the cosmos itself. Such a possibility suggests that black holes may not simply be destructive forces, but rather purposeful mechanisms of creation and connection. When matter disappears beyond the event horizon, maybe it doesn't end, it transforms. The energy could be recycled, emerging in another universe as the seeds of new stars, new galaxies, or even new forms of life. In this light, black holes may act as both endings and beginnings, death and rebirth on a universal scale. This vision challenges our understanding of existence itself. If crossing through a black hole could place us in a universe with radically different rules, then our own laws of physics are no longer absolutes, but local customs of our cosmic neighborhood. What we call constants, like the speed of light or the strength of gravity, may only be constants here. Step across the threshold, and they might shift into values that make our universe feel alien by comparison. And then there's the question of consciousness. If black holes are portals, what happens to awareness when it passes through? Would we retain memory of who we were? Or would we awaken shaped anew by the physics of the other side? The thought stirs a deeper mystery. Perhaps our very sense of self is tethered not only to our biology, but to the universe we inhabit. Crossing through could mean more than physical travel. It could be a transformation of mind and soul. For civilizations advanced enough to understand and harness these gateways, black holes might become the ultimate frontier. They could be the keys to exploration far beyond interstellar travel. Gateways not to other stars, but to entirely new realities. Imagine ships built not to resist the crushing gravity of a black hole, but to use it as a passageway, diving into the unknown and returning with knowledge of infinite worlds. If so, then the universe we see is just one room in a mansion of endless doors. Each black hole we discover may not be a prison of darkness, but an invitation to explore, to expand, and to realize that what we call reality is only a fraction of what truly exists. But perhaps the truth runs even deeper. What if our own universe was born from a black hole in another? Some theories already hint at this possibility, suggesting that the Big Bang itself may have been the other side of a collapse from a parent universe. In that case, every black hole we see could be seeding new universes of its own, each one a cosmic womb giving rise to realities beyond our reach. We may be living inside the offspring of another universe's collapse, continuing a chain of creation that stretches infinitely. And what of time? Within the crushing depths of a black hole, time slows to a crawl when viewed from the outside. But what if within the passage itself, entire eons could unfold in moments? Crossing through might not only move us across universes, but across epochs, linking past, present, and future in ways that defy comprehension. A traveler stepping into one could emerge into a universe already billions of years older, or younger, than the one they left behind. This introduces staggering possibilities for destiny and choice. If black holes are not merely physical gateways but temporal ones, then they may hold the keys to rewriting history or glimpsing futures that remain hidden to us. They could serve as the cosmic mechanism for balancing all possibilities, ensuring that nothing is ever truly lost, but merely relocated, transformed, or reborn. And then comes the philosophical question. If black holes connect us to infinite other realities, what does that say about our place in the grand design? Are we insignificant specks in a boundless multiverse, or are we participants in something much larger? Explorers destined to awaken to the true scale of existence. Perhaps one day, our descendants will not look at the night sky with fear or curiosity alone, but with purpose. They will know that scattered among the stars are not merely collapsed remnants of suns, but doorways waiting to be opened. They will not ask, "What lies beyond?" but "When do we go?" Until then, black holes remain our greatest mystery, both terrifying and awe-inspiring. They force us to confront the limits of knowledge, to accept that reality is more layered and complex than our current science can grasp. And yet, they also invite us to dream. They whisper of possibilities that stretch far beyond survival, far beyond even our galaxy, into realms where imagination and physics merge. In the end, black holes may be more than just cosmic enigmas. They may be the most profound symbols of possibility itself, reminders that what appears to be the end may in fact be the beginning of something greater. To approach them is to stand before infinity, faced with the ultimate question: will we dare to step through? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.